Welcome to a new era of luxury. Today, we explore one of the most ambitious, technologically advanced, and boldly designed flagship sedans ever produced. This is the all-new BMW 7 Series 2023, a vehicle engineered to challenge every expectation. A sedan crafted not simply to compete with the Mercedes S-Class, but to dethrone it. From design to comfort to innovation. Let's begin. Exterior design 0-40 to 3 o'clock from the very first glance. The 2023 BMW 7 Series communicates one message clearly: look at me. Its front fascia is unmistakable, and illuminated kidney grille framed by BMW's new split-light design. The slim daytime running lights float elegantly above the primary lamps, giving the car a sharp, futuristic presence. The body is sculpted with precision. Clean, monolithic surfaces replace the traditional creases found in older BMW models. It's minimalism executed with confidence. Walk around the side and you'll notice the long wheelbase, the balanced proportions, and the flush door handles, all contributing to a sense of refinement and aerodynamic efficiency. At the rear, the LED taillights stretch gracefully across the width of the vehicle. The stance is wide, planted, and undeniably luxurious. Every angle was designed to command respect. This is BMW making a statement that says luxury can be bold. Chapter to entering the cabin 3 o'clock to 5:10. Step inside, and the atmosphere instantly changes. The interior of the 7 Series feels like entering a private lounge. Quiet, elegant, and meticulously designed, premium leather surfaces flow seamlessly across the cabin. Crystal-cut controls shimmer under the ambient light. The doors close with soft, deliberate power, sealing you inside an oasis of refinement. What stands out immediately is BMW's curved display. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster combined with a 14.9-inch central control display. Floating together in a single glass frame, they form the heart of BMW's Drive 8 experience. Everything feels modern. Everything feels intentional. Everything feels expensive. Ambient lighting and materials 5:10 to 7 o'clock. The ambient lighting system deserves its own spotlight. Customizable, soft, and sophisticated, it allows you to transform the cabin's mood instantly. Across the dashboard stretches the BMW interaction bar, an illuminated crystalline panel that reacts to touch and gesture. It's both artistic and functional. Materials throughout the cabin are carefully curated: fine-grained leather, polished metals, smooth wood trims, and soft-touch surfaces. This is where BMW's craftsmanship truly shines. Every seam, every stitch, every surface has purpose. The 7 Series feels like a luxury residence, not a vehicle. Chapter for seating and comfort experience 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. In the 2023 7 Series, comfort is not a feature. It is a philosophy. The front seats are fully adjustable, ventilated, and equipped with multiple massage programs. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, the experience is first class, but the real magic happens in the back. The rear cabin is where BMW shows its mastery of comfort engineering. The seats recline elegantly, the legroom is exceptional, and the cushioning feels like it was designed for long-distance royalty. Add in soft closed doors, dual climate zones, heated armrests, and lounge-style seating, and you'll understand why the 7 Series has become a benchmark for luxury. Let's talk about the feature that has turned the automotive world upside down: the BMW theater screen, a colossal 31-inch 8K display that folds down from the roof, transforming the rear cabin into a private cinema. Fire TV integration for D-Audio from Bowers and Wilkins. A widescreen experience unlike anything else in the industry. You don't just sit in the back seat, you disappear into a world of entertainment. Streaming movies, gaming, video calls, BLUETOOTH headphones? Complete control right from the rear door touch panels. BMW didn't just build a luxury sedan. They built a luxury theater that happens to have wheels. Technology and interface 1130 to 1320. The 7 Series isn't just a beautiful interior, it's a technological powerhouse. The Drive 8 system uses AI-driven logic, voice recognition, and gesture controls. It's responsive, intuitive, and surprisingly human. The digital instrument cluster adapts based on your driving mode. Navigation overlays provide augmented reality guidance, and the heads-up display delivers crucial information directly into your line of sight. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise with lane assistance, automatic lane change, parking assistance with memory, 360-degree cameras, remote parking, and predictive suspension adjustments. Result: driving the 7 Series feels effortless, as though the car is constantly thinking one step ahead. Chapter 7 Performance and Ride Quality 1320 to 1530. Powering the 7 Series is a choice of refined engines, a smooth 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, or a potent 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. Both deliver power with grace. Acceleration is strong yet controlled. The suspension glides over imperfections with quiet confidence. The cabin remains whisper quiet even at highway speeds. BMW has engineered a delicately balanced experience, the soul of a performance machine wrapped in the calm of a luxury cocoon. Steering is precise. Body control is flawless. Comfort remains the priority always. Comparison with the S-Class 1530 to 17 o'clock. For decades, one name dominated the world of executive sedans, the Mercedes S-Class, but in 2023, the fight is real. BMW has taken risks, bold styling, advanced technology, and unprecedented entertainment features. Where the S-Class feels classic, the 7 Series feels futuristic. Where the S-Class comforts, the 7 Series inspires. Where the S-Class follows tradition, the 7 Series breaks rules. This car was built to challenge the throne, and it does so with fearless precision. Closing statement: 17 o'clock to 18 o'clock. So, what is the 2023 BMW 7 Series? It's more than a luxury sedan. It's a vision of what the future of high-end mobility looks like. A blend of craftsmanship, technology, comfort, and bold design. BMW didn't just step into the ring with the S-Class. They brought something entirely new. If you're searching for a vehicle that feels ahead of its time, a car that transforms every journey into a first-class experience, there's only one choice. The all-new BMW 7 Series, refined, reimagined, revolutionary. Thank you for joining me on this journey into automotive luxury. Stay tuned for more.
Subscribe now, a point of reference for car fans.